Hi, I'm Guille. I'm going to talk about this. So who got hit by this? Do you know what this is?
Yeah, we know what it is.
It's an infinite recursion, yeah. So usually when this happens, right? And then you say, Pharo froze. Okay, I lost everything. I don't know. So the idea, so I wanted to share in a couple of minutes why this happens, so people understand, and what we are proposing to fix it a bit. So what happens is that, so this is a call stack. So call stack goes down because it's a stack, of course. It's a call stack. So it goes down. So there you have the getter that calls the getter, that calls the getter, and so on. And in Pharo, this is organized in pages. So here we have small pages, but we can have big pages. So the stack, we have many pages that are linked together. And eventually, yes, you can use them all if you want. So the same process can use them all. And eventually, when this gets full, so you need more space, because you need space for the next getter, you know. So this gets evicted, and the sum of the frames on one page get moved to the heap. So these are the context objects. So they get moved somewhere. We make space in the stack, and then, okay, now we can continue executing and reuse the stack. We get more getters. Yes. So you get the idea. So this actually happens again. Yes, and we got a lot of things here. And what will happen, of course, is that we will make this guy full, and we have a lot of objects. And of course, if we allocate a lot of objects, we have the garbage collector that is going to run, right? So, okay. So this doesn't explain completely why you have why this freezes, but one of the things that the garbage collector will run, but all these things are linked together, so none of those are going away, right? So actually the garbage collector is just taking a long time to say, no, this object should stay, so it's for nothing. So, and of course, then you have a lot, and the garbage collector takes more time, and then it takes more time. So, yeah, so actually what happens is that when it freezes and the operating system tells you, oh, yes, I don't know what to do. It's because it's taking time. The GC is doing a lot of work. So we are working for you. Joke aside, and this, yes, of course, it waits. It makes you wait. Now, of course, something that is common is that you are going to hit this very usually. I have seen this not only with getters, but also with print-on methods. Yeah, so you make a print-on method, and you were not careful enough, and these loops, yes, and also the things that if you didn't do it well, also what you will have it with the print on is an indirect recursion. So maybe you print on something and you print something else, and that will print you again. So this gets more difficult to debug. So usually people say, yeah, press Control dot or Command dot, yes, and that of course when you're in this scenario it doesn't work, because what happens is that you press Control dot, probably Pharo says, yes, okay, I will do it. I will open a debugger. But what will the debugger do? It will do a print on your objects to print them on the inspector, of course. So, and then, oh, no. And then you have this. Wait. So, okay, what's the thing that we can do? So I want a Stack Overflow exception, please. So we are in this world where we have infinite stacks. Yes, that's beautiful. But sometimes it's not practical, and I'm sorry, but I got hit by this kind of stuff a lot of times, and students do it also, so this is not really good for newcomers. Some facts that I gave this morning. So these pages that I talked you about, 1 minute, yes, but then I have 5 more slots, 5 more minutes, so, okay. But I will show a second thing. So the pages are, with interruptions, I cannot copy it with it. So the pages are 4K right now. Morphic, just drawing Morphic, since it is a highly recursive algorithm, or even running the compiler, the Pharo compiler, it takes a couple of pages. Morphic takes around 30, so we have a lot of them. But the thing is that it trashes a lot in the heap. The OpenJDK uses 1 megabyte. So maybe we can do something better. So this is a restriction from an old time when the Pharo stack was allocated in the system stack. But now the Pharo stack is allocated in the heap, so we don't have that restriction anymore. So we can do more like those people. Even I don't want to tell their name. So there is a pull request that is there. So probably we will move it forward for Pharo 13. And the main idea is that we will have configurable stack page sizes. We will have overflow exceptions that can, of course, be controlled by the user. If you want infinite recursions, you can have them. Just okay. I will not judge you. So it's backwards compatible. So and that's all. That's my presentation for the stack stuff.
Thank you, Gisha. Now, please, Gisha.
Thank you. So for another story, yesterday evening I went back home and my kid was sick, so I couldn't sleep until late. So I needed something easy to do while my kid wasn't sleeping. So I said we were discussing the metro, doing a chess game in Cormas. And I shared the same room as Enzo that did the labyrinth stuff. So I said, no, maybe I can do it in block. I don't know. I wanted to have a chess game. So I did a chess game in the evening. So I wanted to show my chess game. So this is my chess game. So this is using block. It's pretty standard. So one of the funny things here is that the pieces are characters. So I took a font. An open font, Creative Commons license, and then these are characters. So this is the uppercase K, and this is the uppercase Q, and so on. And then you can do stuff like this. Wait, I have to turn on the volume. Thanks to Domenico. And then, of course, I can take my. Oh no! Wait. No, yes, of course, I just can move pieces, but nobody is actually validating that I cannot do stuff like that. Actually, I can eat pieces. That was something that was, so it's an emerging feature. I didn't foresee it. It happened just because how it was done. Because, yes, yes, I have the black stuff, but I need to do the double dispatch for that. But yes, so this is all. Thank you very much. If you want to participate and make this work, actually, I want to make different kind of automatic players. So some players that play randomly, or players that actually will be more smart, or even querying chess.com to get some good moves given the position. But yeah, so thank you.